while everyone was distracted by flashy robot demonstrations and viral dance videos, Boston Dynamics just unleashed something that changes everything. The new Atlas robot isn't just moving differently, it's actually thinking, adapting, and solving problems in real time like never before. Just this week, Boston Dynamics revealed that their latest Atlas humanoid has been equipped with a perception system so advanced that it can work through complete chaos, fix problems on the fly, and even learn from mistakes without any human intervention. We're not talking about pre-programmed movements or carefully choreographed demonstrations anymore. This is a machine that can literally think its way through unexpected situations, and the implications are absolutely mind-blowing. But here's what makes this even more incredible. While competitors like Tesla's Optimus are still struggling with basic walking patterns and China's most advanced robots require constant human oversight, Atlas has achieved something that seemed impossible just months ago. It's operating with what engineers are calling athletic intelligence, the ability to perceive, think and act with the fluid adaptability we've only seen in biological systems. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly what makes this new Atlas so revolutionary, show you the 5 breakthrough technologies that are powering its artificial brain, and explain why this represents the biggest leap in robotics since the invention of the computer. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll understand why we're witnessing the birth of truly intelligent machines, and why the future just arrived faster than anyone expected. To understand just how revolutionary this new Atlas really is, we need to look at the incredible journey that brought us here. The original hydraulic Atlas that captured the world's attention was essentially a mechanical marvel. Incredibly strong, surprisingly agile, but ultimately limited by its reliance on pre-programmed movements and hydraulic systems that were loud, messy and energy-hungry. That hydraulic Atlas could perform backflips and navigate obstacle courses, but every movement was carefully planned and rehearsed. It was like watching an incredibly talented athlete perform a routine they'd practiced thousands of times. Impressive? Absolutely. But truly intelligent? Not quite. The new all-electric Atlas represents a complete philosophical shift in robotics design. Instead of building a machine that executes pre-planned movements, Boston Dynamics has created a robot that can perceive its environment, understand what it's seeing, make decisions about how to respond, and then execute those decisions with precision that rivals human capability. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a fundamental reimagining of what a robot can be. The new Atlas weighs 89 kilograms, stands with perfect posture, and moves with a fluidity that makes its predecessor look robotic by comparison. But the real magic isn't in its physical design, it's in the artificial brain that's processing information and making decisions faster than human thought. Now, before we talk about the 5 new revolutionary updates of Atlas, make sure to watch the video shown on your screen about the latest shocking updates of Tesla's Optimus. What makes this new Atlas truly special lies in 5 breakthrough technologies that work together to create something approaching genuine artificial intelligence. These aren't just incremental improvements, they're revolutionary capabilities that transform how robots interact with the world. The first breakthrough is real-time object detection that goes far beyond simple recognition. Atlas can identify objects, obstacles and hazards in its environment while simultaneously understanding their properties, dimensions and potential interactions. When Atlas looks at a factory floor, it doesn't just see shapes and colours, it understands that this object is a shelf, that component is a car part, and this area represents a potential hazard. But here's where it gets really impressive. Atlas can do all of this processing in real time while maintaining perfect balance and executing complex movements. The robot's vision system operates through lightweight neural networks that deliver instant recognition without sacrificing accuracy or speed. The second revolutionary capability is 3-dimensional fixture localization. Atlas doesn't just see objects, it understands exactly where it is in relation to everything around it with millimeter precision. When working with automotive parts that require exact placement, Atlas can maintain positioning accuracy within a 5-centimeter margin, even when the entire work environment is shifting around it. During recent demonstrations, engineers deliberately moved shelving units while Atlas was working. Instead of failing or requiring reprogramming, the robot paused for a fraction of a second, recalculated its position relative to the new environment, and continued working as if nothing had happened. This kind of spatial awareness and adaptability was impossible just a year ago. The third breakthrough technology is what Boston Dynamics calls SuperTracker object pose estimation. This system allows Atlas to understand not just what objects are, but exactly how they're oriented in 3-dimensional space. When Atlas picks up a complex automotive component, it instantly understands the object's weight distribution, optimal grip points, and how to manipulate it for precise placement. This capability extends to handling objects that Atlas has never encountered before. The system can analyze new objects in real time, determine their properties, and figure out the best way to manipulate them without any prior training or programming. The fourth revolutionary technology is hand-eye calibration that operates with superhuman precision. Atlas can coordinate its visual perception with its physical movements to achieve accuracy that exceeds human capability in many tasks. When placing automotive parts into precise slots, Atlas maintains positioning accuracy within 2 millimeters, a level of precision that would challenge even skilled human technicians. This isn't just about steady hands or good eyesight. Atlas is processing visual information, calculating optimal movement paths, and executing precise manipulations while constantly adjusting for variables like lighting changes, surface irregularities, and unexpected obstacles. The fifth and perhaps most impressive breakthrough is adaptive error correction. Atlas doesn't just detect when something goes wrong, it learns from mistakes and adjusts its behavior to prevent similar problems in the future. When an object doesn't fit properly, or a movement doesn't achieve the desired result, Atlas analyzes what went wrong, develops alternative approaches, and implements solutions in real time. During one demonstration, an engineer deliberately dropped a heavy automotive part behind Atlas while the robot was working. Atlas heard the sound, turned to investigate, located the fallen part, analysed its orientation, figured out the optimal way to pick it up, and placed it correctly, all without any human instruction or intervention. What makes these capabilities truly revolutionary isn't their technical sophistication, it's how they translate into real-world performance that surpasses human workers in many scenarios. Atlas is already working in Hyundai's Georgia factory, where it's handling tasks that are too dangerous, too precise, or too physically demanding for human workers. The robot can lift objects weighing up to 20 kilograms in each hand while maintaining perfect precision. It can work continuously for hours without fatigue, breaks, or loss of accuracy. Most importantly, Atlas can adapt to changing conditions, unexpected problems, and new challenges without requiring reprogramming or human intervention. In recent factory trials, Atlas completed assigned tasks 18% faster than previous benchmarks, while maintaining higher accuracy rates than human workers. When unexpected problems arose, parts that didn't fit properly, equipment that malfunctioned, or work areas that changed configuration, Atlas solved these problems autonomously and continued working. While Atlas is achieving these breakthrough capabilities, the competition is struggling to match even basic functionality. Tesla's Optimus, despite years of development and massive investment, still requires safety harnesses for many demonstrations and operates primarily through remote human control. China's most advanced humanoid robots, while impressive in their own right, lack the integrated intelligence that allows Atlas to work autonomously in unpredictable environments. Most competing robots excel at specific, pre-programmed tasks, but fail when confronted with unexpected situations or novel problems. What sets Atlas apart isn't just superior hardware, it's the integration of artificial intelligence that approaches genuine understanding. While other robots execute programmed routines, Atlas perceives, analyzes, decides and acts with a level of autonomy that represents a fundamental breakthrough in robotics. The secret to Atlas's revolutionary capabilities lies in its integration with NVIDIA's most advanced AI computing platforms. The robot runs on NVIDIA's Jetson Thor computing system, which delivers 800 teraflops of AI performance through next-generation Blackwell architecture processors. This computational power allows Atlas to process multiple data streams simultaneously: visual information from cameras, spatial data from sensors, proprioceptive feedback from joints and actuators, and environmental data from microphones and other sensors. All of this information is integrated through transformer-based foundation models that enable real-time decision-making and adaptive behavior. The robot's control systems operate through time-varying quadratic programs that solve 68 state variables at 1000 Hz, while direct drive motors close torque loops at 2000 Hz. This means Atlas is making thousands of micro-adjustments every second to maintain balance, execute movements, and respond to environmental changes. The breakthrough capabilities demonstrated by Atlas represent more than just impressive technology. They signal the arrival of truly intelligent machines that can work alongside humans as capable partners rather than simple tools. Within the next few years, we can expect to see Atlas-level capabilities deployed across manufacturing, healthcare, construction, and countless other industries. The robot revolution isn't coming in some distant future, it's happening right now. and Atlas is leading the charge into a world where intelligent machines work alongside humans to solve problems, create value, and push the boundaries of what's possible. The age of truly intelligent robots has arrived, and everything is about to change.